There's the correct name, the Odyssey G3 or Odyssey 32 G3 device. Anyway, getting rid of cables, clean my whole desk. I still have quite a ways to go. That needs to all go away. That looks like crap. Anyway, trying to clean up. That's all going away. I shouldn't have showed you that. But OnePlus 10 Pro, or really it's the OnePlus 11, because 1 plus 10 equals 11. That's what a friend of mine said. And last year I had the OnePlus 9 Pro, which is still here. They made some cool changes, but anyway, on the Galaxy Book, I was typing and I have this monitor on. So right there's the laptop monitor connected to the Odyssey 3G, connected to a Dell, just for fun. And for my work environment tomorrow, I'm going to have this set up with my Lenovo, and it works great. So this is just temporary. Lucian, if you're watching, just doing a quick test. This will be my new work setup if I decide to keep this. It's kind of funny because the way it works is you're allowed to use personal stuff with work, but you can't use work stuff for personal. But since I'm working from home, a lot of people use their personal monitors. So that's what I'm doing with this one. But while I was typing, it just completely locked up. So I had 2 browsers going, 3 monitors, which means really this Galaxy Book 2 Pro 360 is not designed for this much. Even if you're pushing it through a ThinkPad docking station. I might look into getting, if I decide to keep this and this, because this came with this, I might actually get a Samsung docking station if they make one of those, and yeah, we'll see. But also, I'm filming on the OnePlus 10 Pro, aka OnePlus 11. But now everything is fine, and if I switch hands here, I don't know if that's gonna work. No, that's not gonna work. There we go. So let's see if I can type now. Nope. See, it's still locked up. So it looks like I need to close some browsers here. Okay. There we go. Closed everything. Now let's see if I can type. Maybe something's wrong with the keyboard. Yeah, something wrong. There's something wrong with the Bluetooth. What is going on? Well, I think I've proven my point. This is not a workhorse like you would get with something like a true work laptop, a Lenovo ThinkPad. This is the one that I have for work. It's iCore 7, Lenovo ThinkPad. This is an Intel Evo i7 energy saver. And again, Pro 360, 13-inch monitor. Yeah, it seemed to work really good when I connected just the monitor directly to the laptop, but through the docking station to have the nice clean workspace doesn't quite jive. So we'll end that test. We know it doesn't work. I'm going to do some testing. So we'll set that down. And now we'll connect this bad boy. This is a cool thing about docking stations and laptops is you can connect really quickly from home to work. So I have a docking station at work, plug and play, and you just plug in one USB-C cable. That's connected to the ThinkPad, and then it automatically configures to multiple stations. I would think if you had more than one workstation, it probably would, more than 2 would work. Again, I have one at work, one here at home, and it remembers which monitors are which, and I don't have to rearrange them. Now I just put in that Samsung. Kind of weird here. I have a Lenovo to Lenovo to Logi to Lenovo, Samsung, and then a Dell monitor. Oh, that looks gorgeous. Yay! And David, you'd be so happy I cleaned off my desk. Oh, I don't need that anymore. And yeah. Ah, okay. My desk is almost done. I want to keep just like one. I think I need to keep Stay Puff. Yeah, Stay Puffed needs to stay. All right. Well, hope you enjoyed that. And this was filmed on the director's view of the OnePlus 10 Pro 5G Hasselblad. Thanks. Goodbye.